Hello, welcome back to our channel. So in previous video, I just missed some important points about suppressed listing. So if your listing gets suppressed, so I'll make just a quick check on 4 points which was missed in the previous video. If you have any questions or if you have any specific suppressed listing which you want me to work on or prepare video on that, please mention it in the comments so that I can create specific video. So in today's video, we will be covering the four portions: missing images, title too short and missing keywords, incorrect brand name, and variation issue. So missing images. So Amazon requires you to put a image with white background as main image. If you don't have a main image, your listing gets suppressed, then they have additional space for 6 images. Sometimes in some categories, they say that, okay, if there are 2, 3 images, they accept it. Sometimes they say in some categories, there are 4 to 5 images needed. So if the images are not present, the listing will get suppressed. As you can see in the screenshot, there is no image in the listing because I created it recently and then I'm not uploaded any. So you have to upload correct main image and you need to upload like correct main image. Doesn't what are the image requirements? The image should be like the longest side 1000 pixels and the shortest side 500 pixels, also with white background with no overlays. Like you cannot put 12 pack, 3 pack, 2 pack on the main image. And then you need to upload 3 to 5 lifestyle images and feature images of the product, and those should be according to the requirements as I explained. So next thing is title too short and keywords missing from the title. So this is another reason of suppression. So the you can say requirement is 50 characters minimum or maximum of around like I guess 180 characters or 210 characters. So you need to write your title in between this. For example, there's a t-shirts, you're going to sell a blue color t-shirt. So if you write only blue t-shirt, so the listing will get suppressed stating that the title is too short. And if you want a medium level title like which appears good and which should have keywords also, because keywords helps boost your listing. If you have keywords in the title, it will get indexed in Amazon system, and Amazon algorithm push your listing to rank higher. So the correct title of this blue t-shirt or a t-shirt in blue color should be, there should be some keywords like color, size, material, gender, target or audience in the title. So we could write it as men's blue cotton t-shirt, medium short sleeve, this way. So the next is incorrect branding. Okay. So if you're a brand in this story and if you're a private label brand, so when you create a listing, you should select your brand exactly as it is registered in Amazon brand registry. Like for example, if it is registered as XYZ Co. Dot, then if you select XYZ, just write a XYZ and create the listing, it will not get created because the brand registry, Amazon brand registry will get missed. It will not, you can say, take information from backend. Nowadays, in new Amazon listing template, they automatically give you a list of your registered brands so you can select one of them. But previously there was an issue that you can write extra, you can write your own. So nowadays this is not the option. But how to fix it? You need to write the correct brand name exactly ditto copy as it was in your brand registry, and then the product will be that listed easily. So number four is variation issue. This is very common and happens to every other reseller. So when you create parents and child, you should know that parents and child should align with the basic information like the size and coloring. Uh, there is a template. Like when you create a parent, you mention a template. Is it size name, size and color name, not what way? So you need to mention exact similar according to the data in the list. If the data says size and color separately, then you should select size name and color. If there is only size, you should select size. But if you have size and color both and you're just selecting size in that template, then the variation will get splitted. Like they will show up as individual listing when the parent will not be created. For example, same t-shirt has colors and sizes. So in the parent listing shows no size and color. So that's why the parent listing is broken. So create proper parent child structure, assign correct cascade and variation attributes, upload via flat file or bulk editor. That's like fast, but you need to be very careful while creating flat file. If you want, I have already a video in which I created a flat file live in front of you. You can use that and you can create a similar file uh, for up to around like 200 size and 200 colors. You can easily use flat file and it will get created in one project. I've done a real live video on that. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do subscribe my channel because the reason if you subscribe, then I'll keep posting the new videos and I'll also answer comments. So if you have questions, please do ask in the comments. Thank you so much. Have a very good day. Bye. See you in our next video.